The former champions Kingston College have booked their ticket to the semi-finals of the ISA Champions Cup after they dismissed Central High 2-0 at Sabina Park on Saturday. KC had a rapid start as man of the match Shawnee Kennedy fired them in front in the 3rd minute. The win was secured in the 68th minute when KC's star man DeJohn Richards made it 2-0 with his 24th goal of the season. Raymond Watson, head coach of KC, was delighted with his team's performance.
Wonderful. I kept smiling all the way through. Gave some people some game time today, and the performances from Malik Williams, Kemaiwa, Shawnee Kennedy, regular starts about Kashim Harris, magnificent.
Now, KC will now come up against another former champion in Jamaica College in a semi-final clash this Saturday. In the meantime, Clarendon College will face St. Andrew Technical in the other semi-final after their 3-1 win over Mona. Lenny Hyde, coach of Clarendon College, is looking to lay down a marker with his team.
Happy, that we passed this hurdle. I think we played well. We played disciplined football. I think the Mona team put us on the back foot in some stages of the game. They were playing a lot of long balls, and I think we hit them on the counter and got 3 goals. I think we scored 3 beautiful goals from the build-up, and I'm excited.
St. Andrew Technical had booked their semi-final spot with a 1-0 win over Manchester High, while Jamaica College secured their spot with a 4-0 victory over the Manning School.